Welcome to FarmForce. Grapes, cultivated for over 8,000 years, older than Egypt's pyramids, span 18 million acres, yielding 70 million tons yearly. Grab farm milk, relax, and enjoy this farming documentary, so hit like and subscribe for more modern agriculture wonders. In California's sunny valleys, table grapes are picked only when perfectly ripe, locking in natural sweetness. Workers gently cut each cluster by hand, protecting the glossy look supermarkets demand. Though it's slow, this tradition proves beauty sells, reminding us farming is also an art. But vast vineyards need muscle. Enter the New Holland Broad 9090L harvester, roaring with 175 horsepower and hauling up to 14 tons of grapes daily. In Italy's Prosecco fields, these giants sweep rows with surgical precision. Meanwhile, Pellenc Optimum harvesters in France collect 12 tons daily, working tirelessly where hand labor fails. This is agriculture technology at its most satisfying, blending speed and care like a symphony of machines. Yet not all challenges are mechanical. Rising heat speeds ripening, boosting sugar while cutting acid. Bad news for wine grapes. To survive, farmers push vineyards north, from Burgundy into England's cooler soils. Risky, yes, but this farming documentary shows adaptation creates new frontiers for premium grapes. Right after harvest in Spain's Murcia region, grapes rush into cooling stations. Skilled hands sort by size and shine, cartons packed like jewelry boxes to avoid bruises. This careful food processing extends freshness across oceans, proving handling is as vital as harvest itself. And don't go anywhere. Watch until the end. Hit like, subscribe, and drop number 2 in the comments to cheer us on. Meanwhile, in California, Thompson's seedless grapes slowly transform into raisins. Sun drying in ventilated sheds takes 4 to 5 days, reducing dust while enriching flavor. These chewy gems fuel 1.1 million tons of yearly consumption, sweet proof that tradition still rules. Now, technology takes over. Mechanical dryers at 135 degrees Fahrenheit finish raisins in just 24 hours, delivering consistent color and moisture. On the juice side, crushing machines remove stems. Juice flows into pasteurizers at 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Then bottling lines fill thousands each hour. It's modern agriculture machines in full swing, feeding the world while honoring history. But none of this happens without patient beginnings. Growers plant sturdy cuttings aged 1 to 2 years, buds waiting for sunlight. Along wooden trellises in Italian villages, farmers train vines slowly, building strength for decades. This farming documentary reminds us, strong roots mean lasting harvests. In Rauscedo, Italy, nurseries produce over 200 million rooted grafted vines each year. Resistant to disease, adaptable to soils, these cuttings are the invisible guardians of vineyards. It's agriculture technology at work before grapes ever touch the sun, securing resilience for generations of farmers. Vineyards may look random, but it's precise math. 900 vines per acre, rows spaced 6 to 10 feet apart. This spacing balances air, light, and machinery access. Farmers laugh it's real estate planning, where every vine gets a prime lot with a view. During summer in Spain, vines thirst for 1 inch of water weekly plus balanced fertilizer. Skipping irrigation at the wrong time? Disaster. Drip systems whisper life to roots, while tractors spray liquid nutrition, keeping foliage lush and grapes sweet. Precision here decides the season's fate. Pruning is surgery for vines. In year 1, only 2 buds remain, forcing roots to grow stronger. By spring, farmers snip excess shoots, channeling energy to the future crop. It's discipline, not guesswork. Each cut shapes sturdier vines and more abundant grape clusters. Summer battles begin. Bioexplorer weeders in France clear 8 hectares daily, stopping weeds from stealing nutrients. At the same time, ERO Elite X-View trimmers slice 2,000 shoots per hour, letting air and sun dance through canopies. By June, flowers bloom. Vineyard dating season, where blossoms promise uniform, healthy fruit. Finally, color arrives. Grapes turn from green to purple, red, or golden yellow in just weeks. Farmers deploy Caffini Booster Rafale sprayers, blasting 1,500 liters per hour across 12 rows, keeping pests away while balancing sugar and acidity. Precision like this makes harvests shine. From ancient trellises to modern factories, grapes prove farming blends tradition with bold innovation. This story of harvest and processing shows agriculture is not just survival, it's progress. If you enjoyed exploring with FarmForce, like and subscribe to join more journeys into farming life.